YouTube, what's up, man? What's going on? This is Mike Burford coming at you with another video. This video today will be based on becoming an Amazon affiliate. Okay, now what you want to do is you can either go to Google or go to Amazon itself, Amazon.com itself here. And what you'll do is scroll down to the very bottom. Now where it says become an affiliate, you'll click this button here. You'll click this link here, and it'll take you to a page. Now, once you sign up with Amazon to become affiliate, what'll happen is it'll take you to this page here, for example. And when you go here, what you can actually do is just put in a product. Now, just gonna say laptop. Just gonna give you guys a prime example here. So, okay, now this is just for example. Let me see. Get link. Now what happened is they brought me to this here. This page here to get a link. Now you can do a lot with this link here. You can actually place it on your website if you already have one. Just follow the instructions here. Okay, now I just want text only. This is text and image, text only, image only. Now for me, I just want to say text only. Now also, I wanted to do short link. This is just for an example. I can highlight it or just copy and paste it. Command C. This is just a prime example. I'm going to put it onto my Facebook. And I'm here. Now this is just my personal Facebook. You know, if you guys want to be my friend on Facebook, just look at my name, Michael Burford. Hit me up. My full name is right here. Hit me up if you want to be friends on Facebook. This is just an example. I'm just gonna put now I'm basically just sharing it with my friends on Facebook. And voila. Now everybody on my Facebook page can see everyone that's my friend on Facebook. Okay. Just gonna give you a prime example. Okay, and you can search many different products on here. You can go to banners. It shows you things here. Easy links, gift cards. Okay. Link to any product. Product links. Just go through as many as possible currently now. See, these are product links. You can go here, click anything you like, and you'll be able to get the link for it. Now you can go promotions, featured promotions, Amazon bounty program, Amazon promo codes. So let's do I go featured promotions. Now you can go here also, get the link, get the banner, place it on your website again if you already have one. Get the link. You can post it to your Facebook, whatever social media platform you have, you can place it on there. So I just gave you a prime example. You know, so once you become an affiliate, you know, you can start promoting different products, find your niche. Currently, you know, I have people, I have clicks, but no one actually purchased as of yet. They say you need a landing page and so on and so forth when you're doing any kind of marketing on Facebook. I haven't done it yet. So I'm just still in the working process and still learning. Again, I'm not on here just to, not on here to give you guys any kind of false hope like a lot of people. I'm just, showing you the truth. All right. YouTube, this is your boy Mike Burford. Hopefully I helped you out today the best way possible. YouTube again, later, I'm out.